Now comes to the project work. See, now you have to make this circuit. We will do one project in that we will control the LED. We will on or off the LED using Blynk app. So we first of all you just make this circuitry. I have already made it. I will show you that how I have already made this. See, I have already connected my NodeMCU with the LED. So after doing this, go to Blynk app. The project you have already created it, just go to that project and click on plus. Now you need a button to operate on or off. So just add the button. See, the button is added. Now go to the button pin. The pin is very much important. I have placed the pin at D0. So I'll place the pin D0. We are using it as a switch, so we will use it as a switch. Everything is okay. Button name 1. Just go back. We have set the button for our NodeMCU and we will operate this. Go to Arduino ID. Now this is the character authorization token number. I have already told you that what is the authorization token number. It is very important in the aspect of communication. With this number only our app will be connected through Blynk app. Through our hardware will be connected to the Blynk app. So this token is something very important. It is helps in your security also. It also helps in your communication also. So I have already pasted it. Your character ID and SSID password is important for Wi-Fi connection. This is for serial Blynk begin and this is Blynk run. This is the very important function. This creates all the functions of the Blynk to run in your NodeMCU. So just upload the code. It is taking a minute or two for compilation. Compilation of the code is very important. We'll go to the Blynk application. We will run it. See, the device is not connected. When the app or when the hardware will be connected, you will be notified that the device is connected and we can on or off your LED with this button. On off your LED with this button. So till now the code is getting compiled, so it's taking a minute or two. When the code will be compiled, your board will be connected with the Blynk application. This is very important aspect of IoT, and with this you can do many projects, many things in IoT. The code is getting compiled. The code is compiled. Now we will go to the Blynk. See, the device is connected. Now on off. We are on. We have on our LED. Now just check that our hardware is on or not. See, we can see that LED is glowing. So this proves that Blynk application is very important, and we can do many of the things with the Blynk application. Now we have a challenge for you. You have to send email notification when LED is getting on and using email widget in your Blynk application. You can find the Blynk application uh, email widget. Just click on it and let's see what you can do. Facts. How Blynk is so secure system. I have told some facts in it. You can see these facts. Thank you.